Hello guys, in this video, I'll show you how to turn off AdBlocker for Aternos. So the first thing that we need to do right here is to open our browser and then go to aternos.org. And then in this part, just look for the extension icon, which is right here. So all you have to do is to click on that and then this should pop up. So what we're going to do is to click the AdBlocker that we are using. So I'm going to click on pause on this side. Once you click that, as you can see, we now have paused the ad blocker right here. Now, what we are going to do is to just reload the website, and then that should fix your problem. However, if this didn't work for you, what we're going to do next is to go right here on the upper right corner of the screen once again, and then click the three dots, and then go here on the settings, and then on the search bar, just search for extensions. After that, click enter, and then just click the ad block right here. And then what we are going to do is to disable it right there. After that, all you have to do is to restart your browser and then that should fix your problem. If this video helped you out, please like and subscribe for more tips.